Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. In 24 months, institutional investors will stop asking, do you use AI in operations, and start asking, what's your agentic coverage percentage? If you don't know what that means yet, this video is critical. The O&M technology stack is being redefined right now. We're living through the transition from reactive operations to autonomous operations in solar asset management. For the last 15 years, the industry standard has been human-driven processes supported by software tools, SCADA dashboards, work order systems, inspection scheduling spreadsheets. That model worked when portfolios were small and talent was available. But institutional capital is now deploying into multi-gigawatt portfolios where human-centric operations create bottlenecks and inconsistency. The solution isn't more people or better dashboards, it's agentic systems where AI agents execute operational workflows autonomously with human oversight, not human execution. Let's define this precisely because the term gets misused. Agentic AI means autonomous software agents that perceive their environment, make decisions, and execute tasks without waiting for human commands. An inspection agent that monitors portfolio risk signals and autonomously schedules drone flights when defect probability exceeds thresholds. It doesn't ask permission, it executes. A diagnostic agent that analyzes thermal imagery, classifies defects by severity, cross-references them with warranty databases, and auto-generates parts procurement requests. A dispatch agent that routes maintenance crews based on real-time priority scoring, crew location, parts availability, and weather windows. A performance optimization agent that adjusts inverter parameters, tracks results, and continuously tunes for maximum yield. These agents run 24/7, learn from outcomes, and coordinate with each other. That's the stack. Here's how institutional-grade agentic O&M is structured. Layer 1, data ingestion. Agents continuously pull from SCADA, weather APIs, drone platforms, and work order systems. Layer 2, perception. Agents analyze data streams using ML models to detect anomalies, classify conditions, and predict failures. Layer 3, decision intelligence. Agents apply rule engines and optimization algorithms to determine priority actions. Should this inverter be inspected tomorrow or next week? Layer 4, execution. Agents trigger automated workflows, dispatch drones, generate work orders, order parts, update dashboards. Layer 5, learning loop. Agents measure outcome effectiveness and refine decision models. Did that predictive maintenance action prevent the forecasted failure? Feed that result back into the model. This architecture eliminates 70 to 80% of manual coordination overhead. Sophisticated investors are pattern matching to other asset classes that already went through this transition. Commercial real estate adopted smart building management systems. Logistics adopted autonomous routing and inventory optimization. Wind energy adopted predictive turbine maintenance. Solar is next. Investors understand that agentic operations deliver three strategic advantages. 1. Scalability without proportional headcount growth. You can manage 500 MW with the same team size as 200 MW. 2. Consistency across multi-site portfolios. Agents execute the same standard operating procedure perfectly every time at every site. 3. Competitive moat. Once your agentic stack is mature, your operational performance becomes hard for competitors to replicate without multi-year investment. You don't flip a switch and go from manual O&M to full agentic overnight. Here's the migration path we recommend. Phase 1, deploy monitoring and diagnostic agents first. Let AI handle defect detection and classification whilst humans still manage dispatch. This builds confidence and data quality. Phase 2, add predictive agents that forecast failures and recommend actions. Humans still approve, but agents do the analysis. Phase 3, enable autonomous execution for low-risk workflows, automated inspection scheduling, parts reordering, routine report generation. Phase 4, graduate to full agentic orchestration, where agents manage end-to-end workflows and humans focus on exception handling and strategic decisions. Most portfolios can complete this migration in 18 to 24 months. Here's why timing matters. Right now, less than 10% of utility-scale solar portfolios operate with mature agentic systems. This is the early adopter window. By 2028, we estimate 40 to 50% of institutional portfolios will have transitioned. At that point, agentic operations becomes table stakes, not a differentiator. The portfolios moving now are building 3-year operational datasets. Like share and subscribe for more solar insights, ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.